Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel @Digital UK-T4F. How are you friends? I hope you are alright. Friends, up to now you haven't watched my previous video and you haven't subscribed my channel. Please, it is my humble request to visit @Digital UK-T4F and subscribe there. Friends, today here we are ready to discuss here about another interesting grammar topic, that is conditional sentences. And you know very well that it is one of the important grammar topic that we also would understand about here, conditional sentence. So here we go to discuss about this one. So just you can see here I have written something on a board, and these are the basic thing that one should understand about conditional sentences. So let's discuss here. The first is here given definition. So at least whenever we discuss about here conditional sentences, we must know about the definition of conditional sentences. Just here I have written a simple sentence. Sentences containing conditional clauses. Sentences containing conditional clauses like if, unless, and provided that. So these are the keywords. Sentences containing conditional clauses like if, unless, and provided that are called conditional sentences. So it's very clear to understand about here a definition of conditional sentence. So here we should focus on it. These clauses like here if, unless, and provided that. If we get these clauses in a sentence, we should understand that that is a conditional sentence. After that, here we should understand about clause. So what is clause? A group of two or more words which includes a subject and any necessary predicate, that is called clause. So this is also here a definition of a clause, you can say. And here we discuss about two clauses that are necessary to understand about your conditional sentences. So after that, here is given a conditional sentence has two clauses. Same thing here I have written. That is principal clause, that we can say in a short form PC, and conditional clause that we can say in a short form CC. The clause which contains if, unless, and provided that is known as CC, that is conditional clause. So it is very clear to understand. Out of your two clauses, such clause where you can see if or unless provided that, these clauses if you will get, that you should understand, that is a principal clause. It is very easy to understand, easy to know about that conditional clause. So wherever in which a part of sentence, whenever you get if, unless, or provided that, you should know that that clause is conditional clause, CC, that we should understand. And then the clause which does not contain if, unless, or provided that is known as PC. So remaining part of clause, remaining part of sentence where there you will not get if or unless or provided that, that will be known as PC, that means principal clause. I hope whatever we discussed up to now you understood of this one. After that, here comes punctuation. So here it is also necessary to keep in our mind. Generally we do mistake here whenever we use these two clauses, that principal clause and conditional clause, we forget to give punctuation mark, that punctuation, that is comma, we forget to give. So it is also necessary. So just here look and learn of these sentences. Here I have written, if you heat water, it boils. So here you can see this part here, you know very well that if containing, I have already told you that wherever there if or unless or provided that, that part will be what? CC. So here if you heat water, it boils. So this part is just, I am going to write of this one, if you heat water. So this part is called here CC called. Why it is called CC? That you know very well. Here is word that make us to understand about this is CC. So if is here used. So this part is called CC. Likewise here it boils. It boils. So this part is called here PC. So we don't get here anywhere if, unless or provided that. So it is easy to understand this is PC. So here in a discussion of punctuation, we should focus here. Just you can say if you heat water, here is use of comma. It boils and the end of full stop. So whenever you write PC at first, look in the second sentence. If it boils if you heat water. So here you will not get any comma, use of any comma, because here is written what? PC at first, then CC. So here in punctuation we should understand that whenever we write CC at first, before writing PC, we should use comma. If we will write PC at first, we should not use any comma. So same sentence here, another also. If you love me, I will love you too. So this is here. Also here a conditional CC is written at first. So here is used before writing of PC. So this is here related to punctuation that we understood here. After that, here comes this one, types and meaning. And in types and meaning that we should understand, we will discuss altogether here 4 types including 0. So you can see here this side given here its types, and same way in the other side here given its meaning. So we should understand meaning of here 0 type, type 1, type 2, type 3. What is their meaning? So type 1 is telling, type 0 is telling always real and possible. So we can say this type 0 is always talking about, always expressing about, always that action that become real and possible. Likewise here type 1 is related to possible situation in the present or future. So this situation that become possible and that will be related with the present and future. So in a meaning that we should understand. Likewise here type 2 is telling here unlikely but possible situation in the past. So that action that become hypothetical, yes, and that will be possible or may not be possible also here. So possible situation in the past. Likewise type 3 that is related with unreal or impossible situation. Impossible, that not possible, that is impossible situation in the past. So overall here we should understand its types and meaning of this one, and then we will discuss about what type of structure and what does it mean here, type 0, type 1 and type 2 and type 3. So this is I hope whatever up to now here we have discussed in a definition, punctuation and types and meaning, I hope you understood all of them.